2014 BMW 335i factory converter there, and it's got 3-inch pipe all the way, and we continued that 3-inch. He brought it where he just cut it right there. He's like, I'm done, I need more. I need pipe ran and everything. So we ran 3-inch into a 3-inch to 2.5 tailpipes on each side there and there, and then we put them some 4-inch chrome tips or stainless steel tips to complete the look, to make it look clean and nice for you guys, as you guys can see right there. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, please, and check out our new stickers, Exhaust Addicts. If you guys want some, come on down. And please, guys, subscribe, because we only get about 20% that are actually subscribing. So make sure you comment and say, I just subscribed after I heard this public announcement. All right, guys, 2014 BMW 335i. Sexy blue. Much better. Straight pipe. That's good. Here's sound decibels. Again. High flow down pipe. Oh man, it'll open this thing up and you get more power out of it. You can hear the turbo spool. You hear it? Heck yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's winking at me with the camera angle. I don't know if it shows it, but yeah. That's sexy.